Hello guys, this is Alicia and welcome back to my YouTube channel and in another vlog, and welcome to Travel Diaries. I will not be telling y'all where exactly I'm traveling, but currently I am in the Shatabdi Express, which was a little bit delayed. So my destination is 6 hours from Mumbai Central. Um, I am not traveling alone. I'm traveling with my travel buddy. So, right here is my travel buddy. Travel buddy, what do you want to say? My mom will not say anything. Okay, so the next stop from Mumbai Central is Borivali. So the train will be halting at Borivali station, and then from Borivali will be Vapi directly. So uh, yeah, sitting in the train, seeing people around, all the vendors coming, serving us food, saying chai 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 chai, coffee 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 coffee. It's great, but traveling in train in like this kind of train, like traveling train somewhere out of space. It's been a while, and I know I have not vlogged since a very long time. So now you all will be um, seeing my vlogs continuously for the past 4 5 days. So enjoy my vlogs, and yeah, I think that's it. I'll directly see you all where you all will see me. I will not be telling you all right now. So stay tuned. Don't forget to watch my vlogs till the end, especially this vlog if you all really want to know where exactly I'm going. So stay tuned. अगर तुम लोगों ने ये व्लॉग नहीं देखा तो तुम लोगों को नहीं पता चलेगा कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ. अगर तुम लोगों को रियली जानना है कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ तो ये व्लॉग देखना पड़ेगा. देखोगे ना? So see y'all at the destination. Bye guys.
So we have finally reached the hottest land at the moment, I would say, and my mom would also believe. We are in Ahmedabad. So welcome to Ahmedabad, guys. And it is super hot. So my advice, don't come in the month of May. April, May, till June, don't come to Ahmedabad. We have certain work to be done. That is why we have come. At the same time, we have not seen Ahmedabad. So काम भी है, काम के साथ हमको अहमदाबाद देखना भी था. तो हम आए हैं अहमदाबाद. तो we are here for 5 days. And it is super hot. Right now we are in the rickshaw. And जो हवा भी आ रही है, जो हवा भी आ रही है ना, वो गर्म हवा आ रही है. ठंडी भी हवा नहीं आ रही है. And the temperature is 45 degrees. And it is a yellow alert over here. And if the temperature crosses 50, it is going to be a red alert. So by the government, it has been told not to go outside from 2 to 4. So yeah, we are just heading towards the hotel. We are going to check into the hotel, switch on the AC, change into the PJs and just sleep and eat something because I am hungry. Mom, how are you feeling coming to Ahmedabad? Good. My mom will never come into the camera, but I will still try and take her all the time, in spite of she saying no.
So we reached our hotel at around 2:30. We checked into the hotel. Our hotel's name is Elysian Residency. I will be putting the link below so you can have a look at the hotel if anybody wants to look at it. The hotel is very good. I will be giving you all a very small and a quick room tour later on. Right now we have just come out fresh होके नहा धो के बाहर आए हैं 5 बजे हुए हैं थोड़ा सनसेट थोड़ा धूप कम हुआ है because it is lot of heat over here. It's very hot and so now we have just come out and we are now about to go for sightseeing. So our first destination to see something in Ahmedabad is the very famous Kakaria Talab. So we are going there with our very genuine and a very true friend of ours. Akshay, hi.
Hi.
Your first time in my vlog. What do you want to say?
Nothing.
You want to say nothing? How rude. First time coming into my vlog, you become very famous.
Okay.
Where are we going, Akshay?
Kakaria.
He's taking us everywhere, so he's our tour guide. In Ahmedabad, he's our tour guide. So, if anybody wants to come to Ahmedabad,
चलो बस आएगी.
bus aa gayi. We have called for an Uber and
वो आगे भेजो.
yes, please. So yeah, see you at Kakaria. So guys, this is the Kakaria Talab that we are at. It's beautiful. It is very big. यहाँ पे तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा की शूटिंग हुई थी. अगर you all have seen the तारक मेहता उल्टा चश्मा का एपिसोड, अभी एपिसोड नंबर तो याद नहीं रहेगा मुझे शायद, बट यहाँ पे शूटिंग हुई थी and they had gone on the that train जो यहाँ से पटरी पे से जाती है. So we are going from there and it's really beautiful. The sunset is also going to happen right now, so it's kind of very pretty. It's very peaceful and it's quite big. The Kakaria Talab. My parents, my mom, my friend. It's just very pretty, peaceful. As I mentioned, boating also happens, but I am not that interested much in the boating part. But so right now we are heading towards the ticket counter for the train part because we want to sit in the train. So अभी देखते हैं. Let's see. So this is what I'm wearing. This is me, guys. This is the Kakaria Talab behind, and that's gonna be the beautiful sunset. So in the evening it's much better compared to afternoon. So I think I should advise you all to come to Kakaria. The entry ticket to enter this part, Kakaria Talab, is 10 rupees ticket. So I think it's quite affordable. It's not just quite, it's very affordable actually. So yeah, we clicked lot of pictures, lot of vlog is going to come, lot of vlogging and all of that. So stay tuned and don't forget to watch the vlog till the end.
At the amusement park in the Kakaria Talab. So this is the amusement park, and it's right now 7:30. It's lighting and all of that. My mom is sitting, so Akshay and myself are going. It's beautiful and it's going to be fun. So super excited. And yeah, Akshay, what are you going to say? Guys, he's shy. That's why he doesn't want to come in the vlog. We finished with the first ride. The first ride was extremely fun. And now we are on to the second ride, with favorite part, the dashing cars. With one and only Akshay. So let's go for it, dashing cars. We are reaching, guys. We're still in the train. My travel partner, my travel buddy. So we finally got done with the amusement park. Amusement park was fun, was great. Now we are heading towards Law Garden, which is shopping. When I come with my mom, it's like we have to shop. And we come to Ahmedabad and we don't shop. No chance. After which we'll go and eat something hungry, because we enjoyed so much. We clicked so many beautiful pictures. I'll be posting everything, so have a look at it. So as I mentioned, Akshay has been our tour guide, but he's also our friend. So I am really thankful to have a friend in Ahmedabad that he's helping us so much. So see you at Law Garden. We finally finished with the shopping at Law Garden. It is a huge market. We could not even complete like half of it, but we completed few sections of it. I would recommend people to come. It's a good market. You get a lot of chaniya cholis and a lot of kurtis and a lot of bed sheets, runners and all of that. It's a good market, worth coming. You guys can bargain. They will say a lot of bhav, but bargain. So we shopped. My mom is damn tired. She could not walk, but I forcefully made her walk. I'm sorry for that. But she also took certain things for the house. Now we are heading towards the food place, to a food restaurant, because we are damn hungry. It's 10:30 over here. And yeah, that's it. It was a good day, I would say. see you after dinner. So we were supposed to go to the restaurant and eat dinner, veg Gujarati thali, but unfortunately वो रेस्टोरेंट बंद हो चुका था. Yeah, I know. I'll tell you later. Sorry for the interruption, guys. So we were supposed to go to that restaurant, but unfortunately that restaurant was shut because it was past 10:30, 10:45. So we came to the hotel. We ate something over here. And now it's past 12:45. The day was enjoyable, but at the same time was hectic because since morning we were traveling, we had to get up in the morning at 4 o'clock, catch the train, come here. We rested for some time, then went out and but overall बोले तो दिन अच्छा था, memorable था. We had fun. Now it's time for me to end the vlog because we are dead tired. I'm already on the bed. Bup, bup, bup. So it's time for me to end the vlog. So if you guys like the vlog, you guys know what to do. You guys don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow in the next vlog. And the Bud Diaries. Bye, guys.